sadly disappointed with the undemocratic decision of the British government in exiling me from my country.
Independence is called Buipusagar.
I visited these places in Gaborone a day before the 57th Independence Day of Botswana. The day started with a trip to Gaborone to visit the controversial 18-feet trio of bronze giants, the three tribal chiefs of Botswana who played key roles leading to Botswana's independence in 1966.
This one I think is from Kanye, Batuing the first. There was a Batuing the second in Kanye. This one Sebele is from Molepolo, and this one is from Bangwato, Serowe.
These three chiefs, they are our nation's founders. And if it was because of them, they were not going to the country club of Botswana. Those who were in the north were going to be Zimbabweans, South Africans.
These three tribal chiefs were sent to represent the people of Botswana. I was told when Botswana was about to be incorporated in the exploitative British South Africa Company, the three tribal leaders who you see here went to the Great Britain in 1895 to appeal against the decision.
1885, when we were given a protectorate, because the Boers wanted to incorporate this country as part of their republics, as part of their land.
When you talk about the history of the British South Africa Company, its history starts in South Africa. It was one of those companies that was formed in South Africa by John Cecil Rhodes, who was himself interested in mining, interested in exploration, and also finding raw materials.
The company obtained a royal charter from the British government, giving it exclusive mining, commercial, and administrative rights over these territories, which became known as Rhodesia.
I wonder how many days or years they take along the way.
They took 23 days to arrive in Britain.
Did they walk?
I don't know. I'm just asking myself, how did they get to that side?
Yeah, but
because it was way back.
When these three chiefs went to Britain, there isn't that kind of mode of transport. We go to South Africa. There in Cape Town, they climbed some ships sailed through to Britain.
Their appeal was considered. The nation remained under direct British rule until independence.
The Queen, through Warren, who was the commissioner in Southern Africa, sent 4,000 British military and police to the Botswana Protectorate and talked to all the chiefs in the land about the Protectorate, and they signed an agreement, and Botswana became Botswana Protectorate.
After 80 years as a British protectorate, Botswana attained self-government in 1965, becoming the independent Republic of Botswana on September 30th, 1966. Cecil Rhodes was elected the first president and served until his death in 1980. If you go around this historic place, you will see the various historic images summarizing the tenacity of the leaders, the discipline of the people, the craftiness and foresight of great men and women to use the available resources provided by Mother Earth to their fair advantage. The life lesson I've learned is simple. Everything is possible with selfless leaders, right mindset, and patriotic citizens. I arranged for a meeting with other people to answer some of your questions on various visas and cost of living in Botswana. That will come your way in our next videos. If you want our assistance, we are also planning to start a new live session to answer your questions directly on Fridays evening from 8 o'clock p.m. Botswana time. What do you think about that? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. Till we meet again, have a wonderful day. God bless you.